Hi guys, thanks for joining me on this one. This is a quick one where I'm going to give an introduction to myself and my new startup. So my name's Jonathan Gilmartin. I'm the founder of Square2 Digital. So this is a new startup that's focusing on software development and IT services exclusively for automotive. So a bit about myself. So I've been involved in automotive for the past 15 years, working in various IT roles, so from developer, tech lead, architect, and more recently contract roles. I'm a true full stack engineer, so I'm very proficient on the front end, so very experienced with things like Node, React, Material UI. Moving to the back end, which I've been using .NET for God knows how long, 20 years probably. But recently, very involved with .NET Core and using .NET Core to build APIs and back end services. Very proficient with DevOps as well, so everything I do has automated build and release pipelines associated with that for the software. I'm also an expert with Azure Cloud, so I've built many applications using the majority of the services that cloud platform provides. And recently I've been doing a lot with Kubernetes, so over the past year and a half I've been really getting into that. And that's my platform of choice for S2 Search. That's my product I've built, and I actually deploy that to Kubernetes clusters. So that provides some great functionality such as high availability, fault tolerance, and zero downtime deploys, as well as a myriad of other things. So yeah, it's another thing I've been getting into a lot recently. So in regards to places I've worked at during my career, so I've worked at three of the biggest automotive companies in the UK. So that being Pendragon for one, Motorpoint, and then more recently Sytner. And then with Square2 Digital, the reason I founded this is I wanted to fill what I felt existed a bit of a gap in the market for IT experts that really understood automotive. There's a lot of people I've worked with who are very talented, but their knowledge of the industry is generally very low or non-existent, and that's even more so for vehicle finance. So I've done so much with vehicle finance, and I truly understand that from a business and operational process. I wanted to be able to offer that to the industry. But I didn't just want to offer services. I wanted to do more than that. I wanted a product as well. So I've built S2 Search, which is an enterprise search platform, and it provides an out-of-the-box solution that solves all the problems that you'd have with building that type of enterprise search system, and it can support any web application. So if you have a web application and the search is not so great and you want an enhanced search, but you just haven't got the budget or time to implement that, this is where S2 Search can really shine. So I've got a whole playlist of videos that go through all that platform, where I run through everything, all the features, all the benefits, and how it can help your business. It offers rapid onboarding, so you can go from having nothing to being fully on board within hours. It's very quick to get on board, and the risk is zero because it's so cheap to run, and you can dip in and dip out, being it's based on a SaaS model, so you can pay monthly, or you can pay for a year and get a month free. So when it comes to building software, I've pretty much been involved in everything really. So every type of business system you can think of, or that you might use at your business, I've either built or been heavily involved with. So this includes things like enterprise level websites, mobile apps, trade auction sites, countless integrations, everything, basically, literally everything. But there is a couple of specializations that I offer as part of my business. So I can build and support any software, but the two things I'm really proficient at are the specialities that I offer. So the first one is finance systems, and the reason for this is because over the years I've done loads of stuff for finance, but recently over the past 3 years I've been heavily involved with building some very high level finance applications that can support fully online proposal systems, so allowing customers to transact purely online, soft search systems, finance calculators, webhook integrations, and various other integrations. And as a result, I've become a bit of an expert with some of the UK's biggest finance tech providers and brokers, so most notably Evolution Funding. So a lot of the stuff I've been doing recently is integrate with those guys' technologies, so a bit of an expert with Evolution's technology and APIs. But I've also become very proficient with Black Horse as well. I've done quite a lot integrating to their APIs. I understand their processes, I understand the finance products they offer and the plans as well. And in conjunction with Black Horse, I've done a lot with JLRFS as well. Use Code Weavers a lot. integrated systems for their proposal systems and calculators. And I've also done some work with NextGear as well. So I've integrated NextGear into auction sites, so traders can fund their vehicles via NextGear. So that's my first speciality being finance. The second one is enterprise search. So as I mentioned, I've built S2 Search, which is an enterprise search solution. But based on the time I've used, time I spent to build that platform and the R&D I put into understanding the technology, I've really become a bit of an expert with enterprise search. So I've been doing a lot of work with some of the major cloud search providers, so things like Solar, Elasticsearch, and Cognitive Services. But with my full stack capability, I'm able to build, a nice UI, a nice RESTful API, tie all these things together to produce a full application. And then with my architectural experience, that can all be deployed to the cloud using automated pipelines. So you get the full software lifecycle really with one individual. So I'm essentially a full IT team from one person. So enterprise search is one speciality, finance systems the other one. But please bear in mind that I can build anything. So they're just two specializations. This is my website. This is Square2Digital.com. So if you're interested in my services or you want to have a look at my products, so S2 Search, that page there gives you all the details of the S2 Search product. Just reach out to me. Very, very active on LinkedIn. There's contact forms on this website that you can contact me on. Just get in touch and hopefully we can work together and solve some problems within your business. So thanks for watching this video. I appreciate the time you've put out for it. And I hope to work in the future. Thank you.